Hi everyone, I'm Aaron Stone, Vice President of Exploration here at QCX Gold. Thanks very much for reading the latest press release today on the Western Block of our Golden Giant property up in the James Bay area of Quebec in Canada. Just wanted to reaffirm why we're starting to get so excited about Golden Giant with this latest set of results, in addition to the latest set of results that we got on our Eastern Block as well. I'll speak a bit more to the map that you've just viewed in this press release. So what we're starting to see here is this mineralized system in this geological package called an amphibolite. What's exciting is these high grade samples that have come back, with the highest grade being 18.9 grams per ton gold, has come out of the host rock being a sheared amphibolite and not out of quartz veining. So what's exciting about this is we're not having to rely on a quartz veining system in the area, and we're getting disseminations of gold seep into the host rock here, being a sheared amphibolite, as I mentioned. What's exciting about this is we could have a thick mineralized sequence on our hands here, similar to what Azimut is seen on their property directly to the northeast of this block. Our Western Block also sits on the same structural trend that can be traced to the northeast onto the Elmer property with Azimut Exploration as well. The second thing that I'd like to point out is that the Western Block is the largest of the three sets of claims that we own at Golden Giant, with the other two being the Eastern Block and the Kali East Block. The Western Block being the largest, we haven't got around to exploring all of it yet, so it's still very underexplored, undermapped and undersampled. We only took 125 samples during the phase 1 program back in June of this year, and only additional 68 samples during the phase 2 program not long after that. So we've only been able to focus on a few areas in the short amount of time that we had this year. So we'll of course be returning next mapping season to continue our work on the Western Block, but we've been very excited with the results we've been able to produce so far in the limited amount of space that we've covered on the Western Block and up until date. That map that you did view is only a very zoomed in area of the Western Block. So we will be targeting, of course, this mineralized area with our inaugural drilling program coming up in Q2 of next year, as well as other targets that we have over on the Eastern Block also. So please keep an eye out for this. Thanks very much for listening in today, guys. Continue to stay safe and keep well. Cheers.